Remove the handlebar from the original packaging. Unscrew the 4 screws on the stem. Remove the stem cover. Insert the handlebar into the stem. Install the stem cover in its place.